Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You've seen the title of this video. You've seen the thumbnail. That's right. We finally got our Brilliant Stars booster box. And there we go, guys. 36 Brilliant Stars booster packs. So let's see the pack art first. So these are our pack art: Arceus, Charizard, Shaman, and Whimsicott. Why don't we start off with this Arceus pack? I've actually looked at the set for Brilliant Stars. There's a lot of hit that we can get from this set. From the gold cards to the alternate arts to the V-Stars and the trainer gallery. We got Chimchar with a pineapple. We got Baltoy. We got Pot Helmet as our reverse and a Haxorus regular rare. Let's go for a Charizard pack. I think my number one chase card for this set would be the Rainbow Rare Charizard V-Star. Okay, so this is our V-Star card. So I think it's still 4 to the front. Okay, that's wrong. So there's... Okay, that's our rare. So it's just 3 to the front. The V-Star card takes the place of the energy. So yeah. We got Cubchoo. Our reverse haro is a Lapras. Diving under the sea. So this is the V-Star that came with the booster pack. It's made out of paper. And this V-Star is from the Glaceon Leafeon V-Star box that I actually have opened. I have not edited it. So stay tuned, guys. So let us continue with a Shaman pack. Yeah, as I was saying, I think my number one chase card would be the Charizard Rainbow Rare V-Star. But I would also like to get the gold cards. There's a lot of amazing gold cards in Brilliant Stars. We can get the Bird Trio. You can get Arceus. Get Collapstinio. Yeah, and there's also the Alt Art Charizard V. We got the Reverse Hollow Shroomish, and what's at the end? Just a regular Tornadus. First Whimsicott pack. Hopefully we get something this time. Another upside down code card. So Psychic Energy. Got Blunder Policy, Executor, Enjoying Yourself in the Water. We got Dedenne. We got Farfetch, Duskull, Grimer, Shinx, Klinklang, Versalo. Nice artwork. And a Professor's Research Holo. Another pack. Yeah, so this will be our 5th pack, and we still haven't pulled a V or V-Star yet. The V-Star cards, by the way, I think it's substitutes the VMAX, so there won't be any VMAX as long as the V-Stars are in the set, I guess. Chimchar, we got Minchino, Excalibur, and still nothing. We got the Klinklang regular holo. Shaman, see what we get. I've actually watched other PokeTubers open booster box, Brilliant Star booster box. The pull rate is actually amazing because that's Cynthia's Ambition, because the trainer gallery, I think, is placed on the slot of the reverse holo, so you can get twice. Ooh, a sock, very nice art there. The trainer gallery is in the Empoleon holo. So the trainer gallery is placed in the reverse holo, so you can get a trainer gallery at the same time a V or a V-Star from a single pack. Starmie, Psychic, Weavile, we got Dusclops, Staryu, Carablast, Clefairy, Cherubi, Suck, Snorunt reverse holo, a V card, and a Simisear V as our first V card. Let's try this Arceus pack this time, see what we get. Not a upside down, oh, still an upside down code card. See what we get. We got Gloria, we got Dusclops, Starmie, we got Impidimp, Staryu, Riolu, Starly, sorry, we got Emulsory, a Mothim, and a Mothim again. Why don't we try a Charizard pack this time? Maybe we might pull a Charizard V-Star, hopefully. Yeah, okay, so code card like this. 4 to the front. Psychic Energy. Ooh, we have Friends in Galar. There's actually a full art version of that. I don't think it's in this set though. I think it's in VMAX Climax, the Japanese set VMAX Climax. So, yeah, Nose Pass. We got Dedenne, Ice Cube, and ooh, just a regular rare Wormadam. A Whimsicott pack. Let's see. Maybe the magic is in Whimsicott. So code card, no, like that. 4 to the front and Fire Energy. I think that's our first, so maybe we get something. The Banana Dinosaur, sorry. We got Freshwater Set, XU, Impidimp, Magmar, ooh, nice art there. Riolu, we got Burmy. Ooh, we got a Flareon Trainer Gallery art. Yeah, this is one of my chase card. The Gary and his evolution. So there's Vaporeon and Jolteon too. Yeah, I think my favorite one is actually the Jolteon one, but I'll take this. In Japanese, by the way, I think Gary is named Green, I think. But look at that. And the end card is just a regular Wormadam again, but a different Wormadam. That, look, check that out. That's one nice Trainer Gallery card, and that's Trainer Gallery number 1 actually. Nice. I was actually getting scared for a second there. And we were opening already like almost 10 packs and we haven't pulled anything. So let's see. Brava, Cafe Master, Monferno, we got Sneasel, we got Corfish, Magmar, Spiritomb, we got Burmy. Ooh, we got a Monferno reverse holo. Nice art there. And a Lapras, just a regular Lapras. Yeah, so I just saved up our trainer gallery and Gary and this is here. Code card right side up this time. Let's see if we can pull more of those trainer gallery. Brava, Piplup playing the snow, Turtwig playing the water, Sneasel, pervert. Spiritomb, we got Flygon reverse holo, give us a swipe, and just a regular rare Heatran. Another Arceus pack. Let's see if we can pull another trainer gallery. Okay, so there's a big star card, marker. So we don't have energy on that one. We got this, we got Floatzel, we got Hunting Gloves, we got Trapinch, Piplup, Shroomish, we got Purloin, Duskull, Tropius, and Infernape, a holo Infernape. Not bad. Let's go for Shaman. We haven't pulled a V-Star yet. Hopefully we pull one soon. So code card is upside down. Am I just dumb for always putting it upside down, or is the pack's code card inconsistently placed? We'll see. I need to check that out next pack. We got Gibble, we got Turtwig, we got reverse holo Play Doll in some sort of flame, and Arceus V. We pulled an Arceus V, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. We're almost at half of our booster box, so a light like this code card is upside down. So okay, next time we'll lay it on the other side to see if I'm wrong. It needs to be light on the left. Oh, sorry. We have Luxio, we got Hitmontop. Oop, I see something at the back. Magma Basin, Gibble, Trapinch, Castform, Trope, Shroomish, Cafe Master reverse holo, and a Aggron VMAX. I was hoping it would be a rainbow rare, but we pulled a Aggron VMAX, guys. Charizard pack for Charizard V-Star, hopefully. Yeah, okay, so let's try it this side. And yeah, the code card is playing around with me. Pokemon's placing of the code card is kinda mixed up. You got Choice Belt, Clefairy, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Holucha, Weasel, Starly, reverse holo, and a Leopard. Another pack. So it's like this. Yeah, now it's the right side up. 4 cards, right? So let's see. We got Fracture, we got Tropius, Rosians, Gibble, Trapinch, Execute, Starly, Shroomish, Tornadus reverse holo, and a Ooh, Alcremie. Just a regular Alcremie. Let me know, guys, by the way, have you opened a booster box of Brilliant Stars? What did you pull? Did you pull the Rainbow Rare Charizard? Or a gold card Arceus? Because I have not yet pulled either of them. Got Cubchoo, we got Shinx, we got Farfetch, 6 eggs, Grimer, fresh water set, this is the first time seeing that, and a Dusknoir, kind of badass there. Off to our last 18 packs. Hopefully we get a V-Star or a secret rare, otherwise I might cry. I might literally cry. For see, Fire Energy. Let's see what we get. Prinplup, Monferno, Beartic, Shinx, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Holucha, Buizel. Ooh, Marnie's Pride. This is the first time we got a Marnie's Pride. There's a full art version of it. It looks amazing. And a Mach. So far, we haven't got much doubles of the rares, the regular rares. Only maybe their reverse holo versions. 4, 2, 4. Got Torkoal, Double Energy, Cubchoo, Dedenne, Farfetch, Duskull, Grimer again, reverse holo, and just a regular rare, Druddigon. Yeah, these booster packs are going fast, and we haven't pulled our secret rare yet. Got Sigilth, Acerola, Premonition, Morgan, Soak, Corfish, Golett, I see something at the back, Chimecho, we got Chimchar, we got Morgrem, reverse holo, and a Zamazenta V. Ooh. I just noticed, guys, by the way, we pulled a Aggron VMAX, and I think I just told you guys that the V-Star takes the place of the VMAX, so I'm wrong, I'm dumb, I don't know. I just thought that's how it was. So forget what I said before, just realized we pulled a VMAX. Barry, Clang, not the Kling Clang, Minchino, we got Baltoy, Snorunt, we got Nosepass, Milcery. Ooh, another Eevee, but this time, I think it's Bill, right? Bill and his Eevee, Trainer Art Gallery 11. Amazing artwork. We haven't pulled this from our VMAX Climax, and the last card is a Clefable. Nice. See what we get from this pack. Pray for some V-Star. We haven't pulled any V-Star yet, so hopefully we get one from this pack. Collapse Stadium, I already pulled that. Luxio, Pot Helmet, Starly, Milcery, Carablast, we got Clefairy, Cherubi, reverse holo Luxio, and a regular rare Bibarel. Brilliant Stars. Give me something good, something secret, something amazing. If I don't pull a V-Star here, does that mean the VMAX kind of ate up the place of my V-Star. So got Suck, Corphish. These cards are sticky, either that or my hands are so dry right now. Chimecho, Chimchar, we got Alchemy, Reverse Hollow, and a Breloom, just a regular rare Breloom. A Whimsicott. Let's see what we get. Code card there. Let's see. An upside down Leaf Energy. That's rare. That's very rare, right? The upside down energy. Beartic, we haven't pulled that, I think. Spiritomb, Burmy, Impidimp, Staryu, we got Riolu. These cards are so sticky. Oh, we pulled a golden rare Urshifu Rapid Strike. Rapid Strike Urshifu, and the last card is a Ice Cube. Okay, man, we pulled a Rapid Strike Urshifu. That's our secret rare, probably, right? Trainer Gallery 30. Oh, so it's part of the Trainer Gallery. Okay. Yeah, so the gold card Rapid Strike Urshifu was actually from VMAX Climax, guys. One of the few gold cards. I think there was Pikachu, Mew, and some other cards, I think, but the only ones placed in Brilliant Stars are the two Urshifu Rapid Strike and Single Strike, if I am correct or not mistaken. Clefairy, Cherubi, Wormadam, a Magmortar. That's our first. Yeah, guys, so our packs are going fast. Probably like 8 more packs. Hopefully we get at least one more Trainer Gallery. Well, the Urshifu is actually, they count the Urshifu as a Trainer Gallery. Okay, another upside down energy. So does that mean I get another Urshifu? Got Torkoal, we got double Turbo Energy, Purloin, Duskull, we got Sneasel, we got Corphish, we got Magmar, Choice Belt, and the end card is a V-Star. Finally, our first V-Star, a Arceus V-Star. So yeah, did we pull the Urshifu from a upside down water energy? Because I'll take more upside down energy if this is what they give me. Yeah, so finally we got a V-Star, an Arceus V-Star, besides the Arceus V. So let's see if we can get at least one more Trainer Gallery is what I want, or a Rainbow Rare. Okay, so another upside down energy. Why is there so much upside down energy? We got Tropius, Claydol, Freshwater Set, Spiritomb, we got Axew, Impidimp, there's a Magmar, and Riolu, Reverse Hollow, Bosses Order, Cyrus, okay, and a regular rare Grimmsnarl. So for another pack, can we get another V-Star from a single booster box? And we'll find out. Okay, still upside down energy. Okay, wait, let me fix you, Bill. So we got Barry, we got Clang, Cynthia's Ambition, Gibble, Turtwig, got Trapinch, Piplup, Shroomish, Cubchoo, and a Garchomp Hollow Rare. Shaman. We haven't pulled a Shaman yet. A V or a V-Star would do. Even a Charizard, we haven't pulled a Charizard. I know there's a Charizard V in this pack, so let's see if we can get at least one more hit. Okay, what's up with these upside down energy? Got Crodont, Ultra Ball, Brava, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Golett. Oh, a Mewtwo. I didn't know Mewtwo was here. Yeah, so it's a regular non-hollow Mewtwo. Look at that, guys. It's amazing, actually. The artwork's not bad. It's like something like from a Dragon Ball. Like Frieza or something. Charizard the pack this time. Let's see if we can get something, guys. Help me. Pray for me. Give me something good. Not just another upside down energy. See, it's upside down. I can see it from behind. What's up with that? Okay, okay, there's something at the back. Let's see. Take a bite. Hopefully, I'm gonna say it. Bidoof, Electabuzz, Chimecho, Reverse Hollow, Clefable. What's... Ooh, just a Flygon V. Okay, I'll take it, I'll take it. See, hopefully we get something. Upside down darkness, we got Hitmontop, Luxio, Magma Basin, Weasel, Gibble, Trapinch, Castform, Trope. Yep. Oh, a Full Art Trainer. Okay, so the Full Art Trainer eats the Reverse Hollow slot, and the last card is a Golurk. Okay, so we got a Axerola Full Art Trainer card. I'll take it. Is it a secret rare? It's a trainer gallery also. Okay. 4 packs left, guys. So let's go with Whimsicott, Shaman. I have to go with Charizard as our last. So let's do it. We're at the point of our booster box where it's the end. We want more. Comment down below, guys, if you want to open more Brilliant Stars. Okay, so that's the V-Star card. Doesn't mean I'm gonna get any V-Star, right? Hunting Gloves, Weavile, Fracture, Dedenne, Cubchoo. We got Duskull, Farfetch, Execute, Leopard, Reverse Hollow, and the last card is, it's sticking. Oh, it's a Rainbow Rare Whimsicott V-Star. Okay, so we didn't pull the Charizard, but we got a Whimsicott V-Star Rainbow Rare. So that would be our secret rare, 135 out of 172. So that's it. I don't think we will get another secret rare unless we get really lucky. But I'll take it. So is that it, guys? We got 3 more packs. Is that it? Will we get anything? Can we pull something? Let's see. Code card there. Do we still get a upside down energy? Yes, we do. Leaf energy. Comment down below, guys. Have you guys gotten a upside down energy like that? Is it just my box? Electabuzz, Holucha, Reverse Hollow Axew, like a baby, and a regular rare Staraptor. 2 packs left. Arceus. We pulled the Arceus V-Star, We got Arceus V. I don't think it's possible to pull another rainbow rare from the same booster box, unless it's an error box from Fusion Strike. If you haven't seen that, those were amazing. I think it was from Canada. So Upside Down Fighting. Let's see what we get. Cinccino, Cleansing Gloves, Float Cell. We got Dedenne, Cubchoo, Shinx, Farfetch, Execute, Reverse Hollow Castform, and a Wormadam. We've actually pulled a lot of Wormadam because there's a lot of forms, so yeah. Our last pack, Charizard. The Charizard gods, please give me a Charizard. I wouldn't mind if it would be just a V. I haven't seen Charizard unless it's from a pack art of Brilliant Stars. So yeah, let's see what we get. Upside Down Lightning Energy, Morgrem. Guys, let's pray for some last pack magic. By the way, our last pack, hopefully we get something good. We got Axew, Nosepass, Snorunt, Clink. Reverse Hollow is a Corphish and a Lucario. Our last rare is a Lucario doing a Kamehameha or Kamehameha. So at the end of every video, I will be opening these packs. If you haven't seen my videos before, this is a VMAX Climax. I'm opening these at the end of every video now because so we pulled this before. This is the Galar Friends. Yeah, because VMAX Climax is the price of VMAX Climax has been dropping, so a Corviknight V, and the last card is a Leon character hyper rare. Yeah, so the prices of VMAX Climax is actually dropping right now, so I'm trying to buy some more and open it. I love these character hyper rare secret rare cards. Yeah, so we pulled a Charizard, I guess. We didn't pull it from Brilliant Stars, but yeah, Leon's Charizard. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you loved this video, leave a like, subscribe. Also, comment down below, guys, what set would you like me to open? Also, let me know if you like for me to open more Brilliant Stars. I definitely will. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe. Thank you, guys.